Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. In this video, we're diving deep into Jooble, a global job search platform connecting freelancers with employers worldwide. Find direct links to the platform in the description below for easy access. Jooble distinguishes itself as a unique job board by aggregating freelance and remote job listings from a diverse range of sources. This makes it an invaluable resource for freelancers searching for new opportunities. Unlike traditional platforms where employers and freelancers engage directly, Jooble streamlines the job hunting process. It compiles listings from numerous job boards and platforms, giving you access to a broad spectrum of freelance opportunities all in one convenient location. One of Jooble's key strengths is its user-friendly design. Freelancers can easily search for jobs based on specific categories, including writing, design, programming, marketing, and many more. The platform offers robust search filters, enabling users to refine their search results by location, salary expectations, and the type of work they're seeking. Jooble gathers listings from reputable platforms like Indeed, Glassdoor, and others, presenting a fantastic option for freelancers seeking to save valuable time by avoiding multiple site searches. Jooble's interface is clean and intuitive, allowing freelancers to quickly scan and explore available opportunities. You can apply for positions directly through Jooble, which then seamlessly redirects you to the employer's website to complete the application process. This eliminates the need to navigate between multiple job boards, a task that can often be quite time-consuming. A particularly helpful feature of Jooble is its job alert system. By setting up personalized notifications, freelancers can stay informed about the latest listings that match their specific skills and interests. This ensures you never miss out on a relevant job opportunity. Jooble is a valuable tool for freelancers across diverse industries who are looking for a centralized platform to discover new projects. If you prefer sourcing freelance work from multiple sources without the added complexity, Jooble might be the ideal solution for you. Make sure to check out the links in the description for more information.